Alright, it should be working now. No, it's not. Alright, now it is. Hello, everybody. Headshots here, and Michael again with his gun. That's not a gun, so just don't move. I said don't move! Michael, I'm trying to see in the camera so you can also see later. Just... You're holding nothing. Now shoot at that wall. Oh, now that... What is wrong with that gun? It's going through your arm.
It's a minigun.
It's like stuck in part of your arm. That doesn't make any sense.
Or come outside with me. I want to show you something.
Okay.
Because since you got all those mods, so that people don't have to look at errors, there's a few things I can do now. Like, I can do this. Now, look up in the sky. See all those clouds?
Oh, it's not going to be a tornado, is it?
It's going to be a tornado. After a while, a tornado will form, along with lightning. The more of these you spawn, the more tornadoes there will be. Let's make it 2.
Let's make it 10. Let's make you dead!
I'm gonna fly away.
Let's see. Modern weapons. Now I can actually use this stuff.
No! Fly away, Falcon! Oh gosh, what are you doing?
What?
The game lagged, so I know you did something.
Yeah, all I did was, get a gun.
Where are you? Bye, Mr. Plane.
There we go, I like this gun.
I like this gun.
What? Why is it lagging?
Because tornadoes are starting to spawn.
Where are you?
Outside. Oh gosh. Wait a minute, what gun is that? Let me see. Oh, it's the... Wait. What? It looks like it's coming out of your stomach.
I know, that's what I did for you too.
Really?
Yeah. It looked like it was coming out of your left side of your stomach. Lightning.
Oh gosh. Yep, look over there. Tornado's starting to spawn.
Yep.
Right now I can't pull you.
Oh gosh, there's one right here too forming, I think.
No, it just does that. It just does that. It's gonna spawn soon though. So this one's not big enough to pull you yet, but pretty soon it's gonna be huge. Well, actually it can, just a little bit. But you can like walk away if you want to.
Oh, I had a hard time getting out of that.
Are you done yet?
No, Sam. I'll be right back.
You're not? You're not?
This looks dangerous.
I'm back. What did you do?
Killed you.
That's not very nice. Are you playing with the tornadoes?
No.
You should be. They're fun. Oh gosh, it threw me. Jump! Ah! I like to fly planes through them. Yeah, Morgan, you can get some of the cars now.
I know.
Where are you?
Above ground now, but I'm coming.
Wait,
Where are you
what happened to that storm? I'm above where you spawned.
Oh, that car is still an error for me.
How about this car?
Hang on. I'm gonna spawn one for myself and then drive into it. There's the other one right there. Why is it still an error? I don't know.
You never got the base pack, Morgan.
Oh. I thought you said I didn't need it. You said I didn't need it.
Wrong. I was wrong. Oh gosh.
Whee! That's fun.
Here, I have an idea.
Whee!
Oh, the big one.
That's fun.
Oh gosh!
My turn!
I've flown planes into these things
Oh
before.
gosh!
Yeah.
16 health.
It's really fun to fly planes into these. Especially when they're at their full size.
Well, this is really awesome. It's almost, they're almost close enough that when I go into the bigger one, it like practically it almost flung me to the other one, like almost right into the other one.
Can you see this vehicle?
No.
I'm riding a tricycle. In fact, it says it's a Porsche tricycle.
A Porsche tricycle. Put you out of your misery. That was awesome.
No! It flung me into the water. I gotta get a new tricycle.
No, it's coming underground. That's how big it is.
It does that.
Ah!
Into the big one.
Yeah, I can't get out. I'm stuck.
Do you want me to try and no clip?
Yes.
There you go. Charge! Oh,
Final clip.
Oh gosh!
Whee!
I think it's about time we flew a plane through this.
Let's go right in the eye of the storm and turn off no clip. Oh
Hey,
gosh!
Marvin,
Oh, I keep getting picked up and flung down. Oh my gosh! They both intertwined. Oh.
Are you, Morgan? I'm gonna fly a plane through it.
I wanna go. Oh, I wanna go in there. They've both intertwined, so they're like, oh, I see you in there.
Oh gosh!
My turn. I wanna fly a plane in there.
We should fly it together. Oh gosh, I'm stuck. Where are you?
You're talking about here? Are you in the plane? Are
No.
you? Oh.
Dude, it exploded. Here,
No, it didn't. It was on the ground over here.
there you go, this is double plane. You wanna fly it?
No.
Oh, here, then get out for a second.
Ah!
Now get in.
Oh, come on. It won't let me. There.
Y'all ready for this?
Yeah.
Oh gosh!
That was really bad.
Wow, that's never happened to me before.
Oh no!
It exploded the second that the tornado came into contact.
I'm stuck.
I'm gonna create a lot more tornadoes.
That's not good. Oh
And it's gonna make
jeez.
it's gonna make it super foggy and hard to see.
Lag, 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 lag. I like how those two have gone together and so now it's just a fat tornado. It's a fat NATO.
Oh gosh! It's like a sharknado, but a fat.
That would be horrible.
Morgan,
What?
wait, turn off no clip for a second. Did you turn it off?
Yes.
Good, because I turned it off. Well, I'm gonna see you on the flip side. Oh gosh, it's so laggy. Where are you?
Taking cover. This is not a good place to take cover. Must escape. Oh god! You almost run me over with the TARDIS.
Isn't that the point?
Go into hiding. What? saving me.
Alright,
What?
are you...
It's pushing me up the stairs and out the door.
Gosh, I'm trying to get to you, but it's pushing me too.
Oh, I'm flying now. I'm flying around. This isn't fun.
It's not. Oh gosh. Actually, get into a vehicle. It's really fun.
Vehicle, okay. It's not very fun since
I'll turn off some of the storms. That doesn't really help much, does it?
no.
I can't even tell where the storms are.
What? I can't even get in the car. It moves it too much. Oh my gosh, get rid of everything.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh, no! 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 I don't want to swim! Are you trying to do it inside the spawn?
No.
Go into the red place. Oh gosh. I can make it! I made it into the red portal. It's
Why
safe
am
now.
I sideways? What?
There we go, I got rid of all the storms.
Okay.
My head tastes sideways as space-time is established.
Actually, my head did kind of taste sideways because of the car.
What?
I believe I can fly.
Actually, you can't.
By the way, how do you grab something and throw it?
What do you mean?
Like using the physics gun.
Here, I'll show you. Come on, I gotta get to you. I gotta get over to you. Alright, so you pick it up, and you know how it you're kind of curved when it does that? While it's still curving, you have to let go of it. But if the thing stops before you get to where you want to go, then it'll just stay there.
I don't know if I understand. Oh,
Try
never mind.
throw.
Okay.
Because if you go...
Oh, okay.
So watch. If I try and throw it,
So like this? Wait.
you gotta go fast.
So like, what?
Nope, it stopped before you made it. You have to go... But if you go like this, if you do it while it stopped, it's not gonna go. You have to do it while it's moving. Yep, like that.
But how do you? I saw like Cool Dude and his friends do it, where like they grab it, but then they just like
That's the
click
gravity
something, and then it. Oh,
Gravity.
how does that even work, by the way?
You hold on to right click.
For how long?
You don't have to hold on to it actually. Then, to
Oh.
right click again, you drop it. But if you left click, that happens.
That happens. That happens. Let me try. No. Oh gosh. What? Oh. Oh, there we go.
You're right, she did.
Yeah.
I like that song.
I don't have a brain.
What?
G-Man doesn't have a brain.
We all know this. We just didn't want to tell him.
So, what was I gonna do?
Oh gosh!
Oh, that was hilarious. What?
Where is it?
Oh, jeez!
Only I can control it. Morgan, no.
Oh gosh! What? 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 I just jumped out of the water. What the heck are you doing to it? What are you doing to it? What? Da 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 what?
Morgan, don't. No, I want to get that back.
There you go. What? Ah! Ah! Not okay.
Now I can ride in peace.
Not for long.
Oh gosh!
Oh gosh. Where are you?
In the water?
Oh,
Not anymore!
there you go.
Ah,
I saw that. That's weird.
I'm
That's
doing
like
flips underwater.
what? That's because and your car is doing flips too.
I know, that's what I meant.
Oh, I thought you weren't in the. How are you doing that?
If you go to tools, well, you don't have to, but on the right side of when you press Q, what do you see?
Wait, what? When I press Q,
On the right side, what do you see?
axis, ball socket, elastic,
Yeah,
hydraulic.
keep going down that till you see the word thruster.
Oh, yeah.
Now, when you push it, there's forward, which you can put the up arrow, and
I
reverse,
get you. I
which
get you.
down.
I get you. I get you.
Yeah, you can have the force, you
I
use
get you.
what
I
you
get
want.
you. I get you. I get you.
No,
I
you
get
don't.
you. I get you. I get you. I get you. Where are you? Oh, there you are. You're way over
Yes.
there.
The heck?
I think you've got a problem
Matt?
over there.
No.
Yeah, you guys.
That's fun.
You got an achievement for sucking.
You got
Alright,
actually you got an achievement.
well, oh. Anyways, I think you need to kill me now so we can end this episode.
Alright.
Where are you? Where are you? There. Oh gosh! Ah!
There's two.
I'll see you later!
Hee hee.